Hi there. Today we're going to take a look at how to print a test page on an Epson Stylus Pro 3880. Now this is nice and simple. We're doing from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel found on the front of the printer. So the first thing we need to do is get into the menu of the printer, which we do with the right hand arrow here. And as you'll see, test print is the second option down. So we press the down arrow and then the right arrow again. And here we have a couple of different options. We're going to go into nozzle check, and you've got manual or auto, and the manual's no trouble, so we're just going to go into that now, and then we press the return button here to get going. Now if we give the printer just a second, and when it's done, we'll be presented with a page that looks like this. And as you can hopefully see, this sheet has a breakdown of all the different colours used by your printer in this simple kind of gate pattern, which is designed to show you if there's any kind of small breaks or anything there, or indeed if there is an ink cartridge which isn't producing any ink, you just have a gap there. So any kind of gaps or inconsistencies, you can troubleshoot the print quality issues quite easily and perform cleaning cycles from the printer itself. Which again is quite easy to do. We just go into the menu like we did before, press the down arrow until we get to maintenance. Go into maintenance, and you see the second option down we have here is power cleaning. Just go into that, press return to execute, and your printer will push ink through the printer's print head to hopefully dislodge any dried ink that could be causing your print quality issue. And again, you can do another test page to check the result of your clean. Now if you're interested in that auto nozzle check I mentioned earlier, I printed this out as well. It takes longer to print, using up a little bit more ink as well. So I find in most instances, especially if you're troubleshooting basic print quality issues, that nice simple sheet is enough, and you can save that costly Epson ink before it really matters. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, chuck it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.